Good afternoon, Congressman Rouser. My name is Mary Beth Barrett. I'm a constitute of yours here in North Carolina. I am a registered nurse employed in the critical care setting in southeastern North Carolina. I'm a nurse in the critical care setting, and I'm in a 76-bed acute care hospital. I am also a part-time adjunct clinical instructor for the nursing program at the local community college. I am here to speak to you and advocate for H.R. 2411, the Nursing Reinvestment Act. The Bureau of Labor and Statistics predicts that by 2030, there will be a shortfall of hundreds of thousands of nurses. And there needs to be a push to increase education programs, retention strategies, and incentives to attract new nurses into the profession. With H.R. 2411, the critical nursing shortage in the United States can begin to be resolved. H.R. 2411 will provide funding for nursing education programs, scholarships, and loan repayment assistance. H.R. 2411 will be particularly effective in underserved areas and seek to improve recruitment and retention of nurses in these underserved areas. Loan repayments for nurses working in higher need environments, and funding training of nursing faculty to ensure education programs can accommodate increased student enrollment. I support this act for several reasons. First, as you know, the nursing shortage is an ongoing nationwide issue. With an increase in funding for nursing education and providing incentives for nurses to work in underserved areas, H.R. 2411 will address immediate staffing needs and in the long term the nursing workforce. Additionally, emphasis on faculty development will ensure nursing programs can produce qualified graduates who are well prepared for the challenges of modern healthcare. Congressman, the investment in the Nursing Workforce Investment Act is an investment in the health of the population, leading to better health outcomes and more effective care delivery. Your stance on healthcare issues, such as the belief that every American deserves access to high-quality, affordable healthcare, means H.R. 2411 needs your support. H.R. 2411 would be a huge part in making your belief come to fruition. Congress must begin to enact reforms and improve quality and strengthen accessibility. I thank you for your time today, Congressman Rouser, and I hope to have persuaded you to invest in H.R. 2411 and the support of your constituents. Thank you.